You got some basic jeans and you want to turn them up? Keep watching. Alright, today I'll be working on a pair of vintage Levi's that I thrifted a time back. I don't know how it happened, but it got like red dye and stuff on there. The customization process has already started unknowingly. I'm about to do something crazy to these. Okay, like I mentioned in the beginning, these are a pair of vintage Levi's. I don't know what year they from or whatever, but I know they're pretty old. But they got little stains and all that kind of stuff on them, but we ain't gonna worry about that because we're about to fix all of that. Okay, we're about to be using these Louis Vuitton stencils. If you want these stencils, they will be available on my website, cadetb7.com. That'll be linked in the description. But the first thing we're gonna do, put these Louis stencils on and heat set them. Alright, with this, I'm just gonna pick off this this stencil and then just place it on there. Oh snap, I think I cut it a little bit. Yep, I did, but it's all good. It ain't gonna matter. It ain't gotta be super perfect. Now I'm about to place it where I want them. I'm gonna kind of do it a little random and like not in line or like just straight and all that kind of stuff, because I want it to be a little playful, you know what I'm saying? A little fun. See how I got it laid down? That is cool, that will work, but for me, I'm a perfectionist when it comes to my craft, so what I'm gonna do is heat set it, that vinyl, so everything locks in.
Stuck in my lane, taking no space. Hogging the lane, did not erase. I got a cool 20 come my way. I just couldn't go to nobody and say, why would I do with that paper, just wait? Why would I do with that paper, just wait?
Alright, we got all the stencils laid down, so what we about to do is take these jeans outside and go ahead and spray the dye on.
Yo, look, stuck in my lane, taking no space. Hogging the lane, did not erase. I got a cool 20 come my way. I just couldn't go to nobody and say, why would I do with that paper, just wait? The pain is something got my head.
So now we're about to get the spraying going. We just went outside. Make sure if you spraying, if you spray inside, that's on you. I hope you live by yourself. But if you're a kid and you know, you got parents and all that kind of stuff, so I don't want you getting a whooping because of me. You feel me? But just go outside and get your spray on, man. This is the set we're gonna be using today. I will link it in the description. But as of right now, we just finna get the spraying, you feel me?
Straight, the rain and the thunder help me elevate, oh yeah. Damn, tell me how I boot up. I ain't with no loser. Low key always suit up. Don't friend, get my loot up. Stay in my lane, nigga be lame. Pillow talking to the game. Some people I just can't look at the same. Roll to riches, how long it take? Like dog, we vicious, don't need all my plate. Brand the riches, I clean out the plate. I stay in the kitchen, make another plate. I know you're not solid divider. I'm so high, I can barely keep my eyes up. Like a sunset, you watch how I rise up. You ain't done it, I call you a visor. I been broke up all out of my shell. Not just rapping, I'm being myself. Hit metallic, go at the bell. You a tell on yourself. Really working, got hammer and nail. I ain't got no vouchers, I speak for myself. Get rich without trying, my soul I won't sell. Oh no. Yo, look, stuck in my lane, taking no space. Hogging the lane, did not erase. I got a cool 20 come my way. I just couldn't go to nobody and say, why would I do with that paper, just wait? The pain is something got my head straight. The rain and the thunder help me elevate, oh yeah. Look, stuck in my lane, taking no space. Hogging the lane, did not erase. I got a cool 20 come my way. I just couldn't go to nobody and say, why would I do with dog, don't even know where I been. Time to TikTok it, don't wait for no man. Make sure it's locked, you might walk off the edge. Life in the box, throw it back for the kids. Walking on rocks and it's hot as a ain't hit no lotto, gang, he worse than Blitz. Little nigga stick by the heart as a brick. You having the feet, I can't get in the mix. Solo, that's how I really came. Dodo, I'm in my own lane. Dodo, I'm in my own lane. Don't forget I be spitting that propane. I remember I count no loose change. I remember mom telling me not to do things, and I go and do the same goddamn thing. It left a stain on my brain. I learned the hard way, the knowledge.
Okay, now that we done got them completely covered, sprayed down and everything like that, now it's time to take off the stencils.
I learned the hard way, I'm hogging the lane. You want a ball, gotta fall in the game. I want it all like I hit up the train. I want it all like I hit up the train. Stuck in my lane, taking no space. Hogging the lane, just not a race. I got a cool 20 come my way. I just couldn't go to nobody and say, why would I do with that paper, just wait.
Okay, now that we got the stencils taken all off, what we're gonna go into next is the image transfers. I didn't want to bore y'all with all the computer work and all that kind of stuff, so right now we just gonna cut these out and place them on the jeans the way we would like.
Why would I do with that paper, just wait. Yeah, look, stuck in my lane, taking no space. Hogging the lane, then not a race.
Okay, now I have everything cut out the way I want it. One thing I want to make sure y'all do, I know this might be, you know, kind of like duh, but make sure you peel the back of this off, man, because I know when I first started doing like image transfers, I gotta be honest with y'all, man, I did it. I ironed it on, well, at least tried to iron it on with the back on there, and it didn't work. So make sure you get the back off, man. All right, y'all, so now what I've already done, I placed all of the images the way I want them placed on the jeans. So now it's just, it's time to iron. Y'all, don't be an idiot like me, you know. Forget the little paper that go over it when you iron, because I mean, it actually worked out in my favor this time, but I used just some regular little paper, and it kind of stuck on there, but it kind of gives it that like vintage vibe or whatever, like kind of, you know, worn in or whatnot. So it's cool, it worked out for me this time, but remember to use that paper, man.
Boys, we hit the jackpot this time.
Okay, we got everything laid down. I'm about to show y'all how it's looking.
Ain't no way I explain my space. How I really feel when you get your way. The picture real clear, you don't need 4K. I keep the top still, they be ready to hate. Don't get your cow peel trying to play with us, man. Gotta keep it real on the way to the bank. Gotta get a feel of that paper, man. The nigga make a killing with.
So far they looking good, but I want to add a little bit more popping, just a little bit more style and unique qualities to them. So I'm about to distress these just a little bit, not too much, but you know, just to give them a little bit more pop to them. Let's get it. I'm just gonna throw a little bit of distressing on this little region right here and a couple other parts. If you want a full tutorial on distressing, I'll leave the card up here. I already got a video for that. So let's get into this.
Santa got me going the Macy's way. I ain't really trying to go and say today, nigga. I ain't really trying to go and suffocate.
Alright, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you stay tuned for the on body and last second shots of them, man. I just want to say I had fun working on these. I appreciate y'all watching. If you like the video, make sure you throw me that little thumbs up, like the guy, you feel me, and subscribe. Join the squad, you feel me. I'ma catch you in the next one, you hear me?
I rather crawl to my future than run in my past. I got a pissed out why I got them so mad. Cut me out the list, I'm not coming in last. Don't you second guess, I'm not going outside. Behind my back, talk about me and my pay bragging. Little you know, got that fight like a dragon. We gon' get out through the dreams and the passion. She gon' check out all the drip and the fashion. We gon' get out through the dreams and the passion. She gon' check out all the drip and the fashion. They didn't know I would come automatic. They want me gon' take me out like a assassin. I come to my goals, I'm so close I can grab it. Don't want me to go, but I know I can have it. Why you come around, guess you thought I forgot it. All I see is clowns always claiming they got it. Love or hate me, make it clear so I can see. So many memories, they done got a hold of me. Got my life locked, feeling think I might not. For the right night, gotta keep a good shot. Gotta pay a lot if you wanna wear a lot. Count up a knot, I don't really say a lot. Show me what you bout, don't let the blunt go out. Gotta make it out, we gotta take charge now. I was in it, couldn't afford to let my guard down. From the beginning, I created me a hard sound. Let me know, I'm for sure it can go down. Taking lows and lows to year round. I was in it, couldn't afford to let my guard down. From the beginning, I created me a hard sound. I'd rather crawl to my future than run in my past. I got a pissed out why I got them so mad. Cut me out the list, I'm not coming in last. Don't you second guess, I'm not going outside. Behind my back, talk about me and my pay bragging. Little you know, got that fight like a dragon. We gon' get out through the dreams and the passion. She gon' check out all the drip and the fashion. Got them pissed out why I got them so mad. We forever last.